Hello, good morning sa inyo lahat. Sorry for for some yun nga hindi ako nag-video kahapon because yun nga napanood ko yung game versus ng Hong Kong versus Gilas and I am happy. I am very happy kasi that is the statement win that we wanted to see. Bakit? Ano ang prediction ko nung time na yon sa Pauka Sports pa ako? Ang sinabi kong prediction, 30 puntos o higit pa sa Hong Kong. Sabihin ko na lang, hindi natin sila ka-level. Hong Kong is to number 119 in the FIBA World Rankings. Tayo ay number 38. And it showed na we made a statement game. Although, in the first half, medyo, slow start yun, kung tutusin. Kasi they let Hong Kong to shoot bailout threes. And pumapasok yung kanilang bailout threes. And then, si Duncan Reed, well, kita-kita talaga na hirap siya when Kai Soto was there. Pero if talking about other defenders against Duncan Reed, wala. Medyo naiisahan ni Reed eh. Si Kai lang yung medyo pumapalag. Well, syempre, for Kai Soto, he had 13 points and 15 rebounds. Ito si Kevin Gambao, he had 15 points. Pero ito lang masasabi natin eh. That's the statement win that we wanted to see. Hong Kong lang yan eh. Ano ba yung Hong Kong na yan? Sige, for those of you na may idea ba kayo about Hong Kong? Nakalaban na natin yan noong 2015 FIBA Asia. Nakalaban pa nga natin yan noong 2013 di ba? O noong 2015 FIBA Asia, ilan tinambakan nila after they lost to Palestine? 51. So, yun dapat ang gusto natin makita. Hindi natin sila kalibel. Itong Hong Kong. Under the leadership of Tim Cone, ang hamon ko for that ay 30. Ang prediction ko dyan, 30. Para manalo Gilas. Tama ako. 30. Sakto. Diba? So, for me, it's a very good win. Yan ang gusto kong makita because, as I've said, ilang beses ko sasabihin, hindi natin sila kalibel. O nga pala, syempre, let's have a sabihin na natin, let's have the recap. Kasi, ang ganda ng first day ng Asian qualifiers Una, Korea had a close fight against Australia. Lumamang pa nga sila until sa kalagitnaan ng fourth quarter. Pero na foul trouble itong si Ricardo Ratliff, nawala na yung laro ng Korea. They tend to make 3-point shots. At ito naman na Australia, hindi naman sila nagpanic eh. Oo, sabihin natin na nauunahan sila ng what do we call this? Ng Korea, hindi nila pinababayaan yung laro nila. Tingnan mo, in the fourth quarter, biglang pumutok si Nick Kay. He finished the game with 21 points and he got 12 rebounds. And Australia won 85-71. Yung Guam versus Japan, well, dyan mo makikita na Guam, medyo pumapalag, pero parang katulad lang yan ng ibang Oceania teams eh. Hindi sila tulad ng New Zealand and Australia. Ano sila eh? Wala pa sila sa level. Parang kahanin nila ng Hong Kong. Mas malakas pa sila sa Hong Kong. Pero medyo pumalag sila against Japan kasi in the first half, lumamang sila isa. Pero yun nga, pagdating ng third quarter, after second half, ayun na, wala na. Hindi na makashoot yung Guam. And the final score is 77-56. Ang best player nun, Josh Harrelson. 12 points, 21 rebounds. Tapos, yung New Zealand versus Chinese Taipei, eto rin medyo dikit din yung laban na yun eh. Parang katulad lang ng New Zealand, ng Australia and Korea. Ang naging laban kasi ng Korea at Chinese Taipei in that game, yung 3-point shooting nila. Kaya hindi sila lumalayo against New Zealand. Kumbaga nagkataon, yung NZL at saka yung Australia, nung minamala sila sa 3-point shot nila, ayon, doon humabol yung kalaban. Diba? Pero yun nga, at the end, Ethan Rusbach, he had 26 points and they won over Chinese Taipei 89-69. Tapos, syempre yung let's have, ano ba, China-Mongolia, wala. China showed their dominance. Ano ba ang gusto natin isipin? 80-49. Wala talagang palag yung yung Mongolia, 'di ba? Sa 3x3 lang sila magaling pero 5-on-5 wala eh. Tapos Indonesia, Thailand. Oh, well, syempre ano naman 'yon, Thailand and Indonesia, hindi naman natin sila kalibel eh. Kumbaga, Indonesia pumapalag with Dexter Prosper pero he was limited to only 6 points. Ang naging best player pa dyan ay si Moses Morgan. He had 24 points. And they won, and Thailand won over Indonesia 73-56 sa home court nila. Pero nga, going back doon sa Gilas, masasabi ko lang, that's a statement win. That is what I like it. I hope masustain natin yan going up against Chinese Taipei. Lalo na, hindi natin masabi, pwede sila maka-upset. Yung muntik na yun sa New Zealand, baka sa atin ibuhos yan. Pero syempre, anong prediction ko dyan? 15-20 points. Yun lang. 15-20 points. Actually, hindi nga eh. 20 points plus. Kaya naman natin yung Chinese Taipei. Hindi naman din natin ka-level yan. Number 78 ng Chinese Taipei sa FIBA World Rankings. Tayo number 38. Kulang ba? Marami ba kakainin bigas ng Chinese Taipei? Huwag lang magkaroon ng disaster. Yun lang ang hiling ko. Pag nagkaroon ng disaster, sorry, hindi ko na bahala na kung ano mangyayari. So, yun lang ang masasabi ko doon. So, with that, congrats Gilas. At least, statement win. Yan ang gusto ko mangyari. Sana masustain nyo pa yan next time. Okay? With that, thank you and good day sa inyo. Bye-bye.